Lordship, in this case,
सर मेरा सॉरी
sir,
मेरा मल्होत्रा साहब एक्सपीरियंस है, कई लॉयर्स ऐसे हैं दो गिव दोस who give more preference to their faces, to give more preference to their reputation. Oh, right. In order to save one case for which they are not going to gain anything. There are a lot of lawyers who are not ready to spoil their reputation. इसमें गुप्ता जी अगर नहीं भी आएंगे, कह देंगे, अवॉइड करेंगे, तो क्या सर इनको क्या मिलने वाला है? और तो और पब्लिकेशन के बाद तो वैसे ही सर्विस ट्रीट हो जाएगी. तो why should we consider that aspect?
I think because you have to consider that matter at that time for my convenience.
सर इंश्योरेंस कंपनी क्या करती क्या नहीं करती है वो दैट इज एन इंस्टीट्यूशनल मैटर. यहाँ पे प्राइवेट आदमी कैसे बिहेव करेगा दैट डिपेंड्स फ्रॉम मैन टू मैन. एक इंस्टीट्यूशन का हो सकता है कि नहीं साहब वो हमारी फाइल लॉयर के पास ही रहेगी, बस ऑर्डर दो, पर ये दिस कैन नॉट बी मेड एप्लीकेबल टू द प्राइवेट पर्सन्स. जी सर.
so in this case, petitioner.
मेरे थोड़ा टाइम था आफ्टर वीक करने से.
क्यों सर?
अब तैयारी नहीं हो पाई
हैं?
आज देख नहीं पाया सर.
बहुत अच्छी बात है सर, तो पक्षकार जाने कि आप लोग बिना फाइल देखे आते हैं.
नहीं वो
नहीं सर, मैं पढ़ाने के लिए नहीं बैठा
कोई
सर.
दिक्कत नहीं, मैं तो स्मार्ट बताया
सर
आपसे पैसे
प्लीज,
लगा नहीं था इसलिए इसमें कोई दिक्कत.
सर प्लीज डोंट आस्क फॉर एडजर्न.
जी
I will not adjourn the case.
ठीक सर.
That is clear.
ओके
Sir, petitioner is an old lady of 67 years.
उससे क्या होगा?
Sir, she is a widow lady. So this proceedings are arising out of 39(2)A proceedings in which status quo ante has been restored by the petitioner. It has been recorded in the by the court by in the impugned order itself.
This is the review application.
Review application.
मतलब review में क्या करेंगे?
Sir, in the impugned order itself, it has been recorded that petitioner has dismantled the construction, illegal construction. So effect of it is that compliance has been made of the injunction order. And there is lordship's order also in which when the status quo has been restored, then.
So you had violated the order of temporary injunction.
So
now the age of the applicant, how it would be material?
It is not material.
So if you have committed.
My first submission was this, but my second submission is that the injunction has not been violated.
Has not been
violated.
मतलब मैं समझ नहीं पाया ना, इसलिए पूछ रहा हूँ.
सर एक तो मेरे सबमिशन है कि एक फाइंडिंग कोर्ट रिकॉर्ड में आ गई है कि
फाइंडिंग के ऊपर सर रिव्यू है. अब फाइंडिंग्स सही है कि गलत है, कैन इट बी द स्कोप ऑफ रिव्यू?
No, the finding of the court below is correct that the illegal
court below,
coordinate bench is correct that the construction has been removed, but effect of this will be that the order 39(2)A, the purpose of 39(2)A has been fulfilled by the petitioner.
fulfilled, sir?
That the status quo ante has been restored.
तो आपने फिर मकान बना दिया. आपको आपकी दो चीजें हो सकती हैं, आपकी सारी की सारी प्रॉपर्टी अटैच हो सकती है. Whether it is
this litigation has been disposed till second.
Whatever it is, whether it is the subject matter or it is not the subject matter, your entire property can be attached under 39(2)A, right?
Sir.
Apart from sending you to civil jail.
Sir.
Ab now merely because the second appeal has also been decided whether the proceedings under 32(A would become infructuous.
No.
No. So whether the litigation has come to an end or not,
in
that is immaterial.
In the execution proceedings also the respondent has not appeared, therefore execution has been dismissed.
Whatever it may be.
And
whatever it may be, sir, once in the year 2017 you were held to be guilty. Although you were held guilty much prior thereto, but that revision was also dismissed, right, sir?
Sir, the learned coordinate bench has recorded that because you have admitted that illegal construction has been removed, therefore.
क्या करोगे इससे ज़्यादा क्या चाहिए?
अब से सर मेरा दूसरा argument भी है sir. So in this case, the case was that.
What was the value of that construction which was removed by you?
So there is nothing on the,
Nothing, so मैं आपको कुछ और रिलीफ दे भी नहीं सकता alternative.
no, sir,
It is-
I'm also challenging that the,
Sir, we are in review. Let us confine ourselves to the limited scope.
sir, in the scope of, under the scope of review, some certain facts have escaped from the
Once you have
consideration.
submitted, then what else to be decided?
But lordship, on the date when the application for breach of injunction has been filed, saying that the injunction has been violated, there is no evidence on record that prior to that injunction or
What is your admission?
that illegal construction has been removed
Removed. When it was removed?
during the execution proceedings.
No. In the application, in reply to the application filed under 39(1) and 2, what was your stand?
That I have not done any
You have
violation.
anything? Did you mention कि सर वो तो पहले से हट चुका है? आज आप temporary injunction देंगे भी तो that will not be applicable because now the structure is not there. What was your stand in that application, sir? And once you had not taken a stand that the structure has already been removed, and only thereafter the temporary injunction was granted, then admission has to be treated that.
There may, during the, when the application under 39.
Sir, what is your reply to your
Sir.
to the application under 39(1) and 2?
Sir, during the application under 39, they made allegation that I have dug a hole of 8 feet. There was no element of construction. In the reply, I said that it is a hilly area in Ampu Kampu. Therefore, there is a difference of heights in the homes. Therefore, I have not dug a hole. It is natural as it is structured. It was my stand in the reply of under 39(2).
What was the order under 39(2)(a)?
Sir, under order, sir, one more submission, Lordship. Initially, ex parte state,
That is, we are.
Sir,
we are
sir,
traveling beyond the scope.
sir, one submission only. Initially, status quo ex parte was passed, in which in 1992, again with they filed an application under 39(2)(a). That was allowed. Thereafter, it was set aside by the revision court, saying that it has not been proved in evidence or by any document in support that the injunction order has been violated. The hole has been dug prior to the injunction order. Again, these same proceedings have been initiated by the party which have been allowed by the London court. I have also, that order has,
Sir.
so that order was placed in the civil revision itself, that has escaped from the consider, that,
The review, we are in the review. If you are agreed, you should have filed a SLP.
sir, under review also, some certain facts which have escaped from the consideration of honorable
I'm
court.
not going to reopen the things. Where is the affidavit of the arguing counsel that it was argued?
It is on the record.
What do you mean by on the record? We are not supposed to look into each and every word which you have mentioned in your application. We are not supposed to look into each and every word of the document which you have filed. Are we supposed to? Well, what the Supreme Court has said in that Bhaskar Rao Jatkav, what the Supreme Court has said? Have you seen that judgment?
No, sir.
The Supreme Court has held that you might have mentioned in your application, but it was not argued. The attention of the court was not drawn towards that when it amounts to suppression of material fact. यार 1000 बनने की आप petition file कर दो और then you say, and if you don't argue the matter by raising a particular issue, can I say that the court was under obligation to look into each and every word of those 1000 pages? Bansal साहब,
Sir.
थोड़ा सा भास्कर राव जाटव वाले केस में लाइट में जरा बता तो दीजिए what is to be done.
So my submission was that only because the compliance has been made in this case.
No, nothing compliance, sir.
And the review also stay has been passed by the same bench itself who passed the order in the civil revision. After considering that the certain facts have escaped from the consideration. And they are also not disputing the fact that anything is there on the spot. The respondents are also not disputing this fact.
मुझे 2013 वॉल्यूम 11 SCC दीजिएगा 531 खाली वो उसको और अंदर कर दो सिर्फ एक सी लगेगा तो बहुत ज्यादा It is not for a litigant to decide what fact is material for adjudicating a case and what is not material. It is the obligation of a litigant to disclose all the facts of the case and leave the decision making to the court. True, there is a mention of the order dated 25/2/23 in the order dated passed by, but that is not an enough disclosure. The petitioner have not clearly disclosed the facts and circumstances in which the order dated so and so. आगे sir. A mere reference to the order dated 2/3 and present in the order dated 24/6 does not serve the requirement of disclosure. It is not for the court to look into every word of the pleadings, documents and annexures to fish out a fact. It is for the litigant to come upfront and clean with all material facts and then on the basis of submissions made by the learned counsel, leave it to the court to determine whether or not a particular fact is relevant for arriving at a decision. Unfortunately, the petitioners have not done this and must suffer the consequences thereof. Merely because something is written in the petition or some document has been filed, that is not sufficient to serve the purpose unless and until you file an affidavit of the arguing counsel that yes, it was argued. Have you filed the affidavit of the arguing counsel?
No, affidavit is not.
Then what can be done now?
Lordship is also filed the order in which when the status quo has been, ante has been restored and the.
तो फिर आपने क्या किया बनाया फिर क्या
नहीं sir,
कुछ नहीं बनाया face the consequences.
No, it has
कानून
been- it
देखिए
has been
साहब ऐसा है कानून का मजाक उड़ाना है हमें कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता एज ए जज पर याद रखिएगा अगर कोई आदमी कानून के खिलाफ जाता है तो उसको कानून के अंदर रखने का काम कोर्ट का है ऑन एन एप्लीकेशन फाइल बाय द एग्रीड पार्टी उसके बाद अगर कोर्ट के ऑर्डर का वायलेशन करने का अधिकार आपका है then there will be an unrest in the society, lawlessness in the society. और society में जब lawlessness होगी, then one day you will also suffer.
So
Therefore, any order passed by the court has to be respected, not for the purposes of the institution, but for maintaining the law and order in the society. आप हमारा आदेश माने ना माने हमारी व्यक्तिगत हमें कोई असर नहीं आ रहा है आप आर्टिकल 141 सुप्रीम कोर्ट का आप आर्टिकल 215 कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन का आप सेक्शन 11 और 12 कंटेम्प्ट ऑफ कोर्ट से हमारी कोई भी इज्जत बढ़ नहीं रही है और घट नहीं रही है परंतु एक यही इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो कानून की व्याख्या करता है और अगर पक्षकार कहे हम नहीं मानते इसको हम वही करेंगे जो करेंगे तो इस समाज में अव्यवस्था फैलेगी और आप भी उसी समाज के हिस्सा हैं इसलिए मत कहिए कि सर हमने कानून का उल्लंघन किया तो क्या होंगे
So my submission is that the
Whatever it is,
coordinate bench has not decided the case on merits, only on the.
Thank you, sir. RP number 592/2017. Shri Rohit Bansal, counsel for applicant, Shri so-and-so for the respondent.
SP चतुर्वेदी
हैं?
SP चतुर्वेदी
आप तो एडजमेंट मांग रहे थे
जी सर
आप तो एडजमेंट मांग रहे थे
नहीं मांग रहे थे मैं श्रीमान ने कहा मैं तैयार हूँ तो फिर मैं
अच्छा चलिए बताइए सर इनका कहना है कि एक आर्ग्यू हुआ था और कोर्ट ने कंसिडर
इसमें सर सूट फाइल्ड हुआ
कोई बात नहीं मुझे कानून चाहिए सर मुझे कानून बताइए
आरपी के लिए सर इसे
वो तो दे दीजिए मेरे को अगर ये कहते हैं कि ये आर्गुमेंट हुआ था इनकी बात को मानना चाहिए कि नहीं मानना चाहिए? अगर नहीं मानना चाहिए तो क्यों?
रिव्यू के लिए से अपेरेंटली फर्दर रिकॉर्ड क्या इसमें
प्लीज
देने-
प्लीज प्लीज
जी
प्लीज
सर।
मेरे से प्रश्न मत पूछिए।
नहीं नहीं
please।
मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ, इनकी बात का कर रहा हूँ।
मैंने आपसे प्रश्न पूछा, अगर ये कहते हैं कि ये केस आर्ग्यू हुआ था इस तरीके से, इसको कंसिडर नहीं किया है, तो उस बात को मानना चाहिए कि नहीं मानना चाहिए? और अगर नहीं मानना चाहिए तो किन परिस्थितियों में नहीं मानना चाहिए, इस पे बताएं सर।
उसके लिए तो मैं सीमा से टाइम
हाँ, इसके बाद तो उसके लिए तो तैयार ही नहीं है। तो वैसे कहते हैं सर श्रीमान कहेंगे तो फिर तुम बहस करेंगे।
नहीं नहीं
रीडिंग आउट द ऑर्डर्स आर इज नॉट द प्रैक्टिस। एनी आप लोगों की मर्जी है। So so and so for the respondent. This review petition has been filed under Order 47 Rule 1 CPC against the order dated 6/9/2017 passed by the Coordinate Bench in Civil Division number 29/2009, by which the revision filed by the applicant against the order passed under Order 39 Rule 2A of CPC has been rejected. Full system. One of the contention of counsel for the applicant is that certain grounds which were raised by the applicant during the course of arguments were not considered by the coordinate bench. पहले वो लिख लीजिएगा कि वो admit हो गया।
They have escaped from consideration.
आप ऑर्डर में से देख के बताइए कि क्या वो ऑर्डर्स, क्या वो ग्राउंड्स मेंशन है क्या ऑर्डर में?
I'm sorry, Lord Shri.
देखिए दो चीजें हो सकती हैं, एक तो ग्राउंड में मेंशन है तब तो हम एफिडेविट नहीं मांगेंगे,
जी।
और अगर ग्राउंड में भी मेंशन नहीं, मतलब ऑर्डर के उसमें भी मेंशन नहीं है, तो फिर आपको एफिडेविट देना पड़ेगा कि दैट इट वाज आर्ग्यूड। तो आप दोनों में से एक भी चीज बता दीजिए कि ऑर्डर में इस ग्राउंड को लिखा गया है बट इट वाज नॉट डिसाइडेड, देन आई विल नॉट प्रेस फॉर द एफिडेविट।
So that's so नहीं है. So in the order, it is not there that this.
However, it is क्या लिखा है? नहीं, इस पर देखो। It is submitted by counsel for applicant that certain grounds which were raised by the arguing counsel during the course of arguments have escaped from the notice of the coordinate bench of this court. Therefore, there is an error apparent on face of the court. Consider the submissions made by counsel for the applicant. The revision was argued by a different counsel, whereas this review petition has been filed by a different counsel. Therefore, the counsel for the revision, the review petitioner cannot say with authority that the grounds which are argued by the counsel for the applicant were not considered by the coordinate bench of this court. Furthermore, the applicant has not filed the affidavit of the of the counsel who had argued the case to substantiate her contention that the grounds raised by the counsel were not considered by the coordinate bench of this court. Even otherwise, the counsel for the applicant could not point out from the order under review to show that the submissions which were raised by the applicant were written, but some of them have escaped from the notice of the court. It is submitted by counsel for applicant that thus it is clear that neither the applicant has filed an affidavit of the counsel who had argued the second division to show that certain grounds which are argued by him have escaped from the notice of the court, nor could point out anything from the order under review that the arguments were, that certain arguments were advanced. The Supreme Court in the case of Bhaskar Lakshman Jadhav and others versus Karamveer Kaka Saheb Wagh Society, Education Society and others, reported in 2013, volume 11, SSC, page 531, has held as under paragraph 47. Police system. Furthermore, the applicant was held guilty of committing breach of temporary injunction order on the basis of her own admission.